InQuizitive is an online learning system where you answer questions to learn and review course content. To complete each InQuizitive activity, you must answer a minimum number of questions. In the sample activity we see here, the minimum is 10 questions, but that number will vary from activity to activity. You can gain or lose up to 100 points on every question, and your other goal is to reach a designated target score, which also varies from activity to activity. Once you've reached the minimum number of questions, you'll get a grade for the activity based on the number of points you've earned. For instance, if your score after 10 questions is 600, your grade would be 600 divided by 800 equals 75%. But you can keep answering questions and keep accumulating points as long as you wish, and as long as you make it to the target score, you'll get a perfect grade of 100%, no matter how many questions it takes to get there. Let's start the activity and take a look at some questions. Many of the questions in InQuizitive, like this one, require you to drag and drop answers into place. Here I'm dragging each label onto the appropriate place in the image, and I see feedback after each label is dropped. When I finish, I get some points, and I can go on to the next question. Before you start answering each question, you can use the confidence slider to adjust how many points you want to risk. If you drag the slider up to I know it, you'll win 100 points if you get the question right, but you'll lose 100 if you get it wrong. Dragging the slider down to I have no idea means you're risking only 20 points, or you can choose somewhere in the middle. In the type of question we see here, I have to click, tap, or type the letters in the correct answer. In this case, I don't know the answer, so I'll set my confidence low, and then I'll guess the letter A. A wasn't in the answer, so InQuizitive tells me that and eliminates that letter, as well as a few others, as possibilities. As I keep guessing, the answer is slowly filled in, hangman style. Until I finish, or until the only letters left are the ones in the correct answer. All the question types in InQuizitive share this characteristic. If you don't know the correct answer at first, InQuizitive won't let you give up. Instead, it'll guide you to generate the answer yourself. You start each InQuizitive activity in level 1. Once you've made it a third of the way to the target score, you move on to level 2, and your score can't go back down below that threshold. The same thing is true once you reach the level 3 threshold. Complete level 3, and you've earned your 100% grade for the activity. You're now ready to start working on your first InQuizitive activity yourself. Once you start, your progress is automatically saved after every question you answer. So feel free to take a break at any time and come back later to keep working. Have fun!